Hi everybody, come on in. Let me show you what we got going on here. Wow, I haven't seen you guys in a while. Let me close the door behind you. So here we are, pretty much all done. We are doing just the touch-ups, you know, installing trims on the shower door, stuff like that, just to finalize everything. And here we are. So I'd like to thank everyone that was involved with the entire project. This was quite a journey from beginning to end. Thanks to all the plumbers, the electricians, the painters, the drywall people, plaster, everyone that was involved, and all the J&O Inc. employees for pulling this off. Thank you very much. I'm going to leave you with a before and after pictures. For those of you that haven't seen the original video of how the house was when we got it, I'm going to leave you before and after pictures so that you can recap on what we did. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely send us a comment.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.